The purpose of this example is to calculate horizontal rolls on a pallet. First step is to run the software. Use File, New Data Sheet from Primary Package. But first, we will create a standard box. So we will Window, Standard Cases and Pallets, and we select the last option. We will create one that's 48 by 40 by 48 inches. So we select Edit, Duplicate, and then we double click on the cell to edit that dimension. 48 by 40 by 48. And we change the name to rolls. Next step is to open File, New Data Sheet, started from Primary Package. Here we make sure that the units we're working with are inches. We will change the type of package to cylinder. The dimensions will be 10 diameter, 24 height, but we will only be laying it on its side. So we uncheck height. We leave the weight as it is. The type of construction will be stretch wrap. And now we will use rolls, which as a type of box, and fill standard cases. To make sure that we will create the new box, we enter a bit more slack, 10 inches per side. And we select the type of pallet, 48 by 40. Once this is done, we select Tools, Recalculate, and we obtain a solution. This solution can be viewed in the detailed report from the window menu.